What's up, everybody? Welcome once again to the SSBD podcast. My name is Dan.
I am Shaz.
I'm Moose.
I'm Bobby. Jangan lupa guys, follow IG, YouTube, TikTok dan
Spotify.
Yeah guys, ssbd.cast.
Same but different. Keep on top, controversial talk. Get it up and lock. SSBD. Same but different. SSBD. Same but different. SSBD. Still the same podcast. Real people, real stories on a whole different angle.
Okay guys, hari kita ada tetamu undangan kita. Hari ini kita ada Saiful ataupun digelar sebagai Epul. Daripada Design Box Private Limited.
Guys.
Apa khabar Pul?
Alhamdulillah. Thank you for having me here.
Dah makan?
Belum.
Belum
Belum
makan?
makan.
Tu nasi ayam tu.
Nasi ayam
Nasi ayam
mana?
Oh, tu nasi ayam.
Nasi ayam lah.
Nasi ayam sedap lah.
Okay Pul. So Epul Design Box is our main sponsor lah. Terima kasih for sponsoring our podcast.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, sekarang aku nak ada soalan pedas-pedas nak tanya dia.
Pedas macam mana? Pedas tu.
Okay.
Cili hijau ke cili merah?
Aduh. Sama belacan.
Pelacan lah.
Belacan.
Bacin lah.
Bacin tu. Bacin tu.
Bukan pedas tu.
Tu bacin.
Bacin.
Lain.
Dia kira kan dia punya soalan bacin-bacin pedas.
Bacin pedas.
Belacin lah. Belacin.
Bacin.
Okay. Jom, let's go.
Okay, so dalam kau punya experience kan, dalam berapa puluh tahun kau kat dalam ni industri.
Okay,
Puluh tahun.
berapa tahun kau punya experience in ID?
Kira ID. Okay. Aku jinak-jinak dengan so-called part of renovation is on 2017.
2017. So
Yeah.
plus minus dah macam
9 tahun lah.
45
Around there,
tahun.
around there,
Oh,
yeah.
9 tahun lah.
9
tahun.
Kau match macam mana ni Bobby?
Okay, abacus.
Dapat abuskus.
Kira gini-gini.
Gini.
I Malay. Salah.
Gini. Kata apa? Okay, 9 tahun
9 tahun
Lama
kau kat dalam lama.
So aku start off from vinyl floor.
Oh, vinyl.
So during that time aku kerja full time. Okay, aku kerja full time in this corporate company lah. So kira tengah fikir-fikir dekat pantry tak tahu nak buat apa kan. So that's where during those days kira vinyl floor baru nak start hype.
Oh,
Kat
Kira,
Singapore lah.
kira kalau rumah kau tak buat vinyl kira kau
kira tak power lah.
Kira kau
Sebab kau
orbit
punya
lah.
rumah tak ada vinyl.
kira rumah kau orbit. Geli lah. Raya masuk geli lah macam tu lah.
Rabak tu.
Aku dah terasa.
Kalau raya masuk geli rabak.
Kira belum pijak
Macam rumah kau lah.
Aku dah terasa.
Assalamualaikum. Tu macam jinjit lah.
Aku rasa sorry. Aku rasa aku nak kena keluar dari dia.
Jalan jinjit.
But actually in the company kan, actually what you do in the company?
Okay, so basically in the company aku kira ibaratkan one of the partners.
Okay.
Then not only that, so kira I'm like a captain of the ship ah.
Oh wait.
Oh, kau captain of the ship.
Captain of the ship ah. Kira macam captain planet ah. Itu lain
Tak ada planet. Lain lah. Lain. Kau macam rupa-rupa
Kau kira
maybe
macam
cyborg
Luffy,
boleh lah.
Luffy.
Cyborg.
Cyborg tak boleh.
Cyborg tak boleh. Robocop.
Those were the days.
Robocop.
Aku macam nak gitar je dulu. Cyborg. Satu kali kasih Sailang nanti kan.
Oh, benar-benar nama dia Saiful kan nak cyborg ada.
Cyborg kan dia.
Tak apa. Nanti kita settle kat belakang. Belakang kamera.
Boleh.
Pakai bising tak?
Jadi ikut time rokok.
Time rokok. Sekarang ikut time juga. Customer selalu bagi kau time kan, time frame.
Ya.
Betul kan? Time frame. So kalau korang renovate rumah, what's usually your time frame
Okay. Normally for design box we practice, kira aku make it a point where everyone should don't over promise their clients. Example, so normally we will tell all our clients between 6 to 8 weeks we will complete, irregardless BTO or resale flat.
6 to 8 weeks tu kira
2 bulan
dalam 2 bulan lah.
Around there. So on our side pula normally when we tell our client we will complete within 6 to 8 weeks. But on our side selalunya is less than that lah. Cuma because why on our side pun indirectly kira berbual habis, the more you drag your project lagi lambat apa gaji kau nak masuk.
Betul lah.
Betul.
So lagi cepat lagi boleh. Tapi no matter what, we won't compromise on the quality and of course the workmanship lah.
Dengar tu kan.
Tu penting guys. Workmanship selalu penting lah Customer selalu tengok workmanship lah.
Okay, let me be, kira indirectly kira dah lalang kan. So let educate them. We don't always focus on the workmanship. Okay, example selalunya orang kita selalu okay, ini company workmanship bagus tak? Workmanship bagus tak? But how if workmanship bagus, we use the A team tapi we compromise on the material. Kira example, aku okay, example macam aku jual kereta kat kau. Example okay, name me one car. Subaru. Okay.
Tak
Subaru.
baru lah.
Kau nampak luar lawa tau.
Ya.
Tapi bila kau
Interior.
keluarkan tu kereta daripada kedai, ini problem, itu leaking.
Ya.
Betul lah. So lama lah. Betul lah.
So baru ada, so lama pun nak ada.
Betul.
So that's why orang selalu fokus on workmanship. Tapi diorang tak pernah macam terlintas bila orang bayar tu a company, barang apa diorang pakai? Does they compromise on material tak? Material ni betul tak? Pasal renovation is an investment tau.
Correct.
True,
Kau
true,
tak
true,
every
true.
year
Yes,
kau buy
correct.
renovation tau. So that's why kau nak kena faham on apa kau bayar. Every dollar tu pergi mana.
Betul.
Kalau workmanship bagus gila, laju, example dalam 2 minggu boleh siap, example lah kita tak boleh siap lah dalam 2 minggu. Tapi kalau pakai barang ciplak
Exactly lah. Betul.
Lepas 2 minggu je lah.
Korang dah dengar guys apa
So,
yang
orang
dia
nak
cakap
dapat.
ni.
Yes.
Korang kena fahamkan apa yang dia cakap. Kalau korang tak faham, korang boleh DM tepi kat Design Box SG guys.
Correct. Tu dia punya handles lah kan.
Tapi actually quite true lah. Workmanship actually macam tak important sangat lah.
Tak
Masa aku macam it is important in a way whereby macam
Salah sekejap.
kalau material tak power.
Okay, faham. Tapi kena itulah, nak kena tahu, korang kena tahu apa yang korang bayar. That's number one lah.
Correct.
Number two is kalau material power, machine power, korang confirm tahu prices certain price.
Mesti power lah price dia lah.
Mesti so owners have to willing to spend a certain amount of money lah to get the proper punya renovation lah. Right?
And renovation dah tak murah sih sekarang.
Barang-barang
Aku
sebenarnya
masih tahu jumpa pakcik-pakcik, makcik-makcik. Dulu saya buat 10,000 satu rumah habis siap. Tu dulu.
Itu dulu cik. Dulu
Sekarang
cik
10,000
dekat ni dinding.
Betul. Cermin kat lantai.
Cermin kat lantai.
Betul.
Cuma kat ceiling
Ya.
cermin
Sampai kat ceiling
Makcik kat sini.
Tapi apa kau ada macam face like weird request of like macam
Itu tipu kau tak ada. Ada.
macam okay, aku tak tahu whether ada macam dia nak buat okay, aku nak buat style macam kedai kopi kencing kat sini, berak kat sini, buang air besar kat sini.
cuci tangan kat luar.
Kira kau punya example pun kira pelik juga.
Iyalah, itulah maksud aku lah, macam pelik
Ada
macam
pelik-pelik punya request tak?
Pelik. Okay. To be very honest kita dah kat 2026.
Okay.
Request pelik-pelik tu basically not pelik. Yang pelik, yang
okay,
paling
understand.
pelik ni
Is lama punya.
buat satu rumah.
okay.
Nak design example wabi-sabi ni semua. 20,000 boleh siap tak?
Wah, bisa-bi. Wassalam.
pelik
Ada wassalam sudah.
20,000 hari ni 20,000.
Aku rasa semua company akan agree dengan aku lah. Datang kita style lah, datang style kan. Kita berbual-bual nak gini-gini, carpentry satu rumah. Kira satu rumah nak kayu lah. Lepas tu design lah, macam design kira ikut Pinterest punya design lah. Lampu nak macam gini-gini semua. 20,000 boleh siap tak? 15,000 boleh siap tak? Itu tak apa paling pelik.
Duit kahwin pun tak cukup.
Kadang tak lepas.
Kahwin tak cukup.
Itu kira makan ada lah, tapi kendarat tak ada lah. Kau kat sendiri lah.
Masak sendiri. Ingredient ada lah.
Tapi
Workmanship tak ada.
Like
Itu paling pelik lah.
sekarang ni like minimum what's the cost of like
Okay.
Renovation.
for
40,
3 rooms lah, 3 rooms
Okay.
letak.
Kau punya question ni BTO ke resale?
BTO.
BTO lah
BTO lah,
Okay.
both lah, boleh try both lah.
Okay, for BTO sekarang kira kalau nak cakap, okay, for BTO depends. Okay, macam kita selalu kita tanya klien kita, after 5 years apa korang punya plan? Korang nak jual ke atau korang nak tinggal lama sikit? So kira kita ni in Design Box not only renovation contractor.
Advisor juga.
Kita kira advisor on kau punya finance advisor also. Okay, kira kalau kau boleh bikin duit, why not? Kan?
True, yeah.
So kalau kau nak jual tu rumah within 5 years, okay, MOP terus
MOP
jual
lah.
Kalau kau nak upgrade. So kita selalu buat advice on jangan nak buat macam gila-gila sangat lah. Pasal what's the odds kau punya buyer akan pakai balik apa barang kau pakai.
Betul juga.
Orang akan reno apa?
Ya.
Betul.
For what? Engkau buat gila-gila, then after that they always have this mindset. Kira aku pun berbual on behalf for ejen rumah juga.
Dengar guys.
Don't ever as a homeowner korang jangan have this mindset Okay, aku labur on renovation 50 to 60,000. Okay lah, BTO maybe 40,000 paling max. Aku nak recoup balik on that 40,000 dekat aku menjual rumah. And that never be the cause.
Yalah,
Itu
correct.
tak pernah masuk dalam dorang punya book of selling and buying of house.
Yeah, I understand.
So selalu kita akan cakap, so all this kita akan filter dulu. Then baru kita akan berbual on the practicality of the renovation. Then last but not least, baru the design will come in.
Betul. Ni bukan staple answer
Betul.
Ni kita dah interview 2 orang daripada Design Box. Orang jawapan sama juga.
Tally.
Copy paste my friend. Means dari sincere, dari hati lah orang.
Kira dia copy paste lah. Dia copy paste aku lah.
Tak
lah, kau copy
Kau
paste je lah.
copy paste je.
Aku
Pasal
copy paste
dia
je. Betul.
dia interview dulu.
Betul, dia memang gila babi lah.
Faham.
Okay, so for customers request ada sekarang tak banyak pelik lah. Tapi customers punya karina kadang kan,
Yes.
clients punya karina tu aku
Correct.
dengar macam-macam. Kadang
Correct.
kita selalu dengar daripada the client's perspective tau. Kan. Kita tak pernah dengar the
Customers.
the company's perspective.
Company
Pasal dalam social media semua banyak macam
Client.
this company not good, this company not good, whatsoever,
Yeah.
right? So kita tak dengar the company perspective. So kau pernah macam terdengar kawan kau punya company ke, is it kau pernah lalui the same experience ke
On
like this type of clients where they demand things that are macam betul-betul tak dikontrol lah.
Okay,
Yeah.
kalau demand aku pernah kena. Okay, kira bukan salah kita. Okay, I have to very honest, dia bukan salah kita. Kira agent yang dia engage tu, selling buying, dah screw up dengan dia punya timeline. Okay. So when we step in, they expect, okay, kira dia resale flat lah.
Resale,
So
okay.
major hacking semua everything. Okay, and they expect us to complete within 1 month.
Tak boleh lah
tak
kan.
boleh
Sebab
asal.
banyak is resale lah, right?
Correct. So
Yeah.
we kalau hacking step in, retiling back everything, waterproofing, carpentry works. Ini semua we have to factor in.
Factor in to the timeline, correct?
Kalau nak cakap, sorry to say lah, kalau nak cakap pasal business perspektif, memang confirm aku nak kau lah. Pasal ni job apa?
Correct.
Kira income apa?
Correct.
Tapi kau nak ke take that risk on kira
complain.
kau dah tahu tau at the back of your head confirm tak boleh siap within 1 month.
Betul.
So what we do, we walk over. So kalau dia cakap dengan kita, lagi dia challenge kita tau, okay, this company cakap yang boleh siap within 1 month, tapi we want you guys because of so called vibe lah, harga
Faham.
yeah, but I cannot take that particular risk on kira nama of the company semua everything. And kau dah tahu yang kau takkan boleh siap within 1 month, so might as well I don't take.
Correct lah.
Faham.
Correct.
So macam gini punya,
It's risky lah,
and
risky.
ini common lah. This is common
Wah.
nowadays.
For resale lah.
Common, cuma orang tak tahu. Okay, korang nak faham korang have been, sorry to say, nampak depan all the client perspective tau. Kita yang company ni tak pernah expose all these things.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Tak pernah. So that's why kira makan dalam lah. So now dah tahu kan.
Kira is the risky part yang clients demand tu yang actually
Yang tak boleh buat
company
lah.
pun pening kepala
Correct,
lah.
yeah. Pasal 1 month memang impossible to do a house within 1 month unless it's minor renovation lah.
Correct.
Yeah. Whole house 1 month kira.
Macam carpentry je
resale.
plus minus 1 minggu lebih saya. Kau nak fabricate lagi.
Correct.
Waterproofing korang bikin sendiri ke atau
Kita bikin
Oh
sendiri.
Dan bikin kan.
Ni rough buat.
as in nak check waterproof.
Tapi mahal lah. Mahal. Kalau dia buat mahal.
Oh betul.
Jadi kalau korang buat murah lah.
For waterproofing kitchen and 2 toilet. Okay. Kita of course our own in-house tiler buat. Okay. Minimum 3 layer. 3 membrane.
Okay.
Nice.
3 layer membrane. So one membrane will take at least 24 hours to dry.
Correct.
So it will take us at least 4 days. So first layer, second layer, third day is third layer. Last, the 4th day, we will do the water leak test together with the homeowner.
Okay.
So the water leak test we will follow HDB and PUB punya standards lah. Kira macam mana korang nampak during HIP, kalau korang opt out, how they do the water leak test everything, we will do the same.
Okay
And we
lah.
will fit with all the picture and the video.
Wah, itu very credible lah.
Yeah.
So kalau korang ada macam promo-promo ke apa ke?
For now,
Yeah.
Okay, just for SSBD punya clients, we are offering 5% discount total quotation.
Wah.
Okay.
Dengar guys
Tapi kalau korang lagi vibe, maybe kita boleh terlupa lah, 5% boleh terlebih lah.
Kita boleh macam terlebih tapi tak boleh cakap tak boleh cakap.
Tak boleh cakap lah.
Kita tak janji
tak
Kira
janji.
just for you lah, just for your cincai-cincai lah, macam gitu lah. And not only that, there are a lot of free gift also lah. Kira free gift in the practicality way lah.
Understand.
Internal colour, PVC, on top of that, apa ni, HK punya Bloom punya Evertos.
Dia punya
nice.
distract lah.
Ya, kalau nak lebih just contact kita lah. Nanti
Betul.
bilang-bilang nanti fit kat company lain pula kan.
Betul. Kita
go,
contact
Syaz.
orang, let's go.
Kan eksklusif lah.
Okay, gang. This episode is brought to you by Design Box Private Limited. Shape your space. With their motto, realistic quotation, practical renovation, they focus on creating homes that are practical, functional, and made to fit your lifestyle.
Code SSBD DB5 to enjoy exclusive perks, 5% off total quotation, free upgrade to Bloom HK Aventus Dish Rack Hinge, free 3D rendering for all carpentry works.
Free Compact Plus sync cover for all Compact Plus client guys. Okay, so this is limited to the first 20 sign-ups only.
Yes.
And you can also contact them at 80762245
80762245.
and not forgetting to follow them on IG and TikTok at DesignBoxSG.
Alright, gang.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
April
much
for coming
April.
down.
Thank you, Raven.
Thank you. What's up, guys?
Welcome back to another episode of SSBD.
Yes. Okay guys, jangan lupa follow kita di IG, TikTok, YouTube dan
Spotify.
Don't forget.
Don't
Yeah,
forget.
guys.
Don't forget.
Do not forget, brothers
Do not
and
forget.
sisters.
Yeah.
Betul.
Jangan lupa. Macam kita lupa pasal apa?
Pasal apa?
masa.
Masa?
Masa?
Tak tahu kan masa apa kan? Kau tahu dengar cerita pasal masa?
Masa.
Masa dijual mahal.
Oh, tu cerita lama tu tapi
Masa
Masa dijual mahal.
Jangan cakap muscle.
Muscle lain.
Mr. Muscle.
Masa apa ingat masa kita bersama ke apa?
Masa kita bersama lain.
Hidup bersama di sampingku.
Okay.
masa.
Asik.
Apa bro? Pasal
Okay,
masa apa?
pasal masa.
okay, so pasal watch.
Dia bisa
pasal
Oh,
watch.
pasal ni pasal jam lah.
Sejam. Yes.
Swatch,
Masa.
is it the Swatch?
The
punya-
Swatch and
Automate
AP.
PK.
Automate PK.
Yeah.
Order more pick
Itu actually pasal apa ni? Apa cerita dia? Sampai
Okay.
kecoh macam ni.
So actually kan it's a collaboration between kirakan macam lower end tier punya watch sama a very very high
High
end
end
tier punya watch lah. Yeah. So sekarang all the resellers, all the macam scalpers, apa panggil orang scalpers lah kirakan.
Yeah.
Yeah kan?
Kenapa
Yeah.
scalpers?
So
Sebab
orang scalp the price.
Scalp dorang tak cuci betul.
Orang tak pakai Clearman kan?
Ya.
Yeah.
Dia tak pakai Clement.
Clearman.
Conditioner dorang tak pakai.
Okay.
So siapa-siapa yang ada boleh sponsor kita juga
AP kalau nak sponsor dia AP jauh AP.
AP siapa? AP member kau apa?
Happy
Anak
lah.
Patam.
Oh, anak
Oh,
patah.
aku kan happy.
Anak patah.
AP ni.
Yelah tu.
Shout out AP.
Shout out AP.
Sa-
Okay, so Swatch sama AP punya collab ni dalam huru-hara weh. All over
itulah,
across
aku
the
nampak
world
juga.
is huru-hara. The retail price is about 600 plus USD lah. So
Serious
about 800
That cheap?
gitu. Very cheap. Because it's not a full watch, it's just a macam kau tahu macam pocket watch macam gitu. Yeah.
Okay.
So dia orang
Okay.
jual just dia punya kan punya
Dia punya
face
dial
saja
lah,
lah.
dia punya dial
Dia
lah.
punya face.
Dial,
Face.
Dial. Okay, face dia, face dia.
Hello? Dah. Tadi wrong number.
Yeah, so diorang the scalpers ni diorang queue up gila babi weh. The day before diorang queue up dekat Thailand, dekat tu mana rabak juga tu dia punya queue.
Tokyo ada kan?
Tokyo semua
I think all
they
countries
release.
lah. Kalau normally all these big brands will come out in all countries, tak salah aku.
Correct, yeah. It's semua diorang release at
Sampai
one
gaduh-gaduh
go.
semua kan.
Yes, correct.
Cus.
So now aku nampak ada jual 4,000, ada jual 2,000
Diorang
lebih.
jual balik lah.
The resellers lah, scalpers lah.
Oh,
Yeah.
dang.
Sama juga.
But ada orang ke nak beli sampai 4,000?
Ada yang diorang bayar untuk queue tau. Kira kan macam diorang sell their services, queuing services kat Carousel pun ada. Aku nampak.
Sampai gitu
Just Q je 450.
Q je 450.
Q je. Q 450 plus kau punya dia punya original retail price lah, which is about maybe
Aku
$800
tak tahu
lah.
Easy money tu.
Yeah, so kau Q
Interested
je.
lah, Bob. Jangan nampak muka kau sebab ada
Technically
berfikir.
450 aku hari-hari bikin Grab, satu hari 100 ya.
Betul,
Baik aku
betul.
Q je saya.
Dia Q je 450. Tapi tu untuk satu orang tau. Kau imagine kau ada 10 order dan 4,500.
Oh, kaya raya saya.
Betul.
Tapi kau kena tahu yang kau akan dapat 10 jam lah.
Aku kalau jadi Naruto aku gila kaya saya. Kaki Bushin no Jutsu. 40,000 orang. 40,000 orang. Kata apa macam mana? Aku ramai-ramai. Kata apa macam mana? Kata
Ya. Sebenarnya bukan Swatch punya first punya collab. Before that, Swatch also collab with Omega. Pun sama juga. Yes, it's the same. So
Tak, tapi jam dia cantik sangat ke?
for Swatch sama Omega, aku prefer Swatch sama Omega dan the AP lah. Pasal AP punya yang Royal Oak punya, kau tahu Royal Oak punya design kan?
Yeah.
Sekarang G-Shock pun ada yang macam design
Correct,
Royal
yes.
juga buat.
Betul, betul.
So
Mana?
aku prefer yang Swatch sama Omega. Pasal diorang ada different punya dial diorang lain. So and it's a full watch, tak bukan pocket watch.
Okay.
So tu pun another scalp punya price juga. Kalau kau tengok mana-mana kau nak beli tu mahal juga.
Bloody scalpers
Yeah.
Pocket watch what?
Pocket
What
watch.
are the thinking pocket watch?
What are they thinking,
What is it they're thinking, you know?
Yeah.
Like
I am thinking they never think.
exactly. Like where is the people is going to use the pocket watch?
Yeah. The people use
Bila
pocket watch
kita nak pakai?
at the back. They hang at the back.
What is the purpose of a pocket watch?
400 lebih nak
Are
gantung-gantung
you
macam tu.
British?
Hai?
What is this?
Wow. Oh, serious lah for a
Yeah.
pocket watch. Korang sampai macam sampai nak gaduh bagai.
Correct.
Pocket watch je
Macam-macam
pun.
lah,
Apa benda saya kalau
Yeah,
nak
that is the
gaduh.
what I don't understand.
Dan
That
apa
is the
benda
one.
lagi yang boleh buat
Oh,
scalpers?
a lot.
A lot,
A lot.
Hello.
Yeah.
Story.
I story sikit We got like Pokemon cards.
Pokemon card ada.
Pokemon cards.
Okay.
We buy only $80 from
Okay.
Pokemon Center.
$80.
People if cannot buy $80 times 3. So
Times
macam dia jual
3,
250, 260,
Times 3
$260. Yeah.
Oh, 30 ber, we
my
are
God.
like speaking in English.
Bloody expensive thing.
Oh, expensive my friend. Yeah.
Yelah.
So memang dorang punya scalp is usually like 3 to 4 times lah.
Okay.
God damn, 3 to 4 times is
3 to 4 times.
crazy.
It's crazy bro. Then
Banyak
also
saya tu.
yeah.
So,
Then
apa lagi yang kena ni macam?
Halal ke haram tu?
no, that's another question lah. Yeah.
That's another question
We
lah.
can
Tak
put
tahu
that
in
apa
there.
macam mana.
We try not to
Biasakan
dwell
dia
into
haram
them.
apa.
Yeah,
Betul lah, betul lah, betul lah, betul lah.
So like there's also shoes. Shoes.
Shoes, eh?
Shoes.
Shoes, eh?
Yeah. People queue up for shoes. Like
For the limited edition punya versions of
yeah,
this
like
lah.
last I think 6-7 years ago, people queue up for Yeezy Boost.
Oh yeah man.
Easy yang
Turtle Dove.
Kanye West punya.
Easy dah
Kanye.
tak.
Ya
dah
Kanye.
tak ada dah.
Kanye.
So from there,
Not PD dia Kanye.
Kanye. P Diddy no Diddy.
Yeah,
No
P. Diddy.
Diddy.
You PDD I Justin.
Yeah.
Boleh.
Bodoh.
Yeah. So tapi kalau pasal bab kasut, dorang punya market memang getting lower and lower lah. Even though kau resell gitu.
But there's still a market lah.
There's still
There's still a market but
Yeah.
not as what
mahal
macam
gitu.
yang the past 3 years 4 years gitu
Yeah,
lah.
correct.
Yeah.
So macam Yeezy Boost kalau kau beli dulu lah, let's say Zebra lah, Yeezy Boost Zebra kan. Kalau kau beli not from retail, it's about $700 to $900.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, then scalping?
Tu non retail lah. Retail cuma 200 lebih je.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sial
Ah,
lah.
kan?
Yes sir.
dengar tu guys.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Crazy.
It
Real
is.
crazy.
It is.
It is crazy my
Nak
friend.
berbual speaking tapi macam ni macam
We are trying to be English speakers.
cranky.
Crazy.
Yeah. Crazy my friend.
From
Harry
200
Yeah, from
You're a wizard, Harry.
from 200 my friend.
200
to 800. Yeah.
Orang beli
Yeah,
Oh,
correct.
concert tickets ada tak?
Oh my god, don't say
Hey,
concert
my
ticket,
God.
my
Concert ticket.
friend. Concert ticket, my friend.
Ah.
tangan kau beri kau dah nak jadi dah.
Itu menjadi jadi.
Potong apa?
Ada. Concert ticket ada. Itu Coldplay concert ticket ada. Itu
Oh my god.
my god. Yang
Oh my god
aku recently pergi aku last year pergi satu konsert apa?
Really?
Yeah. Siapa apa band Yang lagu Believers apa band?
Bandung.
Lagu apa?
Lagu
Believers.
Believers.
Billie Eilish.
Bukan. It's a band.
It's a band. First
aku
things
lupa.
first,
Band dong.
Yeah.
Band with
Ada
Ada
band lah.
that
That
band.
particular
Yeah.
band.
So I went there with my wife
rock
lah.
band.
Rock band. Rock band.
Macam
So
tak habis
then
lah.
there ada orang jual juga the tiket dekat luar juga. Tapi ada yang cost Imagine Dragons.
Imagine Dragons.
Kita tak imagine dah.
Yeah.
Hey, imagine the dragon.
Yeah, radioactive.
It's over
yeah.
there.
Yeah.
It's just flying. You just imagine.
So tu pertama.
Harry.
Kita kena buat satu segmen lah. Bob je berbual. Macam ni.
So next
Nanti jadi.
next few episode Bobby seorang je duduk sini.
Korang write in question yang nak Bobby answer gini. Your question. Boleh Bob. Mesti
You like it. We like it too. Imagine. The whole world is on you.
Tapi suara kau sedap kau buat macam tu.
Yeah.
Aduh mak ya Allah.
Your voice is like
Okay, stop.
Okay, so couples lah like that. So they sell the tickets expensive. They buy it for cheap lah. So
Kirakan
for
cable,
your for your opinion.
From your bukan for.
No, from
Your opinion.
No. That's not from. So your opinion, right?
Doesn't matter.
In your opinion, your opinion, correct or wrong?
Band dong.
Random. All this correct or wrong?
Yeah, I
Your
think.
opinion.
What you think about the reselling?
Yeah, reselling.
Of course wrong lah.
Wrong
Yeah.
Yalah, I mean dia macam langgar peraturan lah. Bagi aku lah,
it's against the rules lah.
It's against the rules lah. Macam it's not.
Okay, reselling ni, but how do they know that that ticket is gonna be sold out?
Well, I think it's because of the band.
Of
Let's say
the
macam Blackpink.
popularity. It's the popularity of the band.
Yeah. Cannot
Like-
be you take one.
But last time
Cannot
ada.
be also what?
Dia got this case
that time
also.
Michael Jackson datang Singapore,
Hey?
semua orang dapat apa? Tiket.
Ya ke?
Michael Jackson.
Ya. Kau tak tahu pasal Michael Jackson datang?
Marah, tak tahu lah.
Kau
Tapi
zaman
semua
bila
dapat.
gua ni.
Bodoh lah dia ni. Oh, semua dapat?
Semua ada tiket tu.
So this reselling thing starts like
Wait.
early.
I think it's baru-baru lah.
Like mid 2015, 2010 around there.
Maybe before that one ada lah.
2010 confirm ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2010 because Turtle Dove come out first year aku
Turtle
army.
Dove apa saya?
Easy.
Turtle Dove.
Yeah, so
Turtle Dove apa?
is a easy punya
Oh,
kasut.
kasut.
Yeah. So from there then aku tahu ni reselling
Dah-
thing.
It
dah-
started
dah
from
start
the
lah.
reselling thing lah. It
Yeah.
started from there lah, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, but concert tickets quite busy lah kalau nak.
Busy tu.
Kira diorang beli, diorang jual balik harga tinggi.
Okay, kan imagine kau beli banyak-banyak tapi si tiket tak sold out.
Sabar.
Oh, yeah,
Kau faham tak?
Yeah.
Kau beli banyak, tiket tak sold out. Habis lepas tu kau nak buat apa? Makan tiket tu.
Betul. Tu pasal dia makan orang punya duit.
Ya, kalau tak salah nama siul.
So kau nak kena tahu like, okay, this one can be sold out. Macam the whole stadium is gonna be sold out.
Yeah, it's like he said lah, it's the popularity of the band, the person.
Macam Coldplay lah dulu.
Coldplay, Blackpink.
Imagine Dragon mah.
Yeah, Imagine Dragons, all these semua sold out. Then they have to do day 2, day 3.
Dulu podcast pun buat apa yang the formerly known Okay Let's Go pun pernah buat apa. Orang order scalp sampai tiket juga.
Yeah, so
Ada case.
What?
yeah, so aku just tak faham all these thing. Orang sekarang ikut trend sama nak fast money lah.
Popularity yeah.
Fast money lah. I
Yeah,
think it's more to fast money.
Yeah. Pasal like concert ticket is all about AI bot lah. Kalau kau ada bot,
Oh yeah.
kau akan dapat tiket tu. Because
Kan.
it's how fast you click whatsoever not. Is kalau kau pakai bot kau pun dapat.
BTS is coming kan?
BTS is coming.
Habis. Bini
Siap
aku banyak cakap
Apa
sama
behind the
ni.
scene?
BTS
Betul apa?
BTS lah.
Budak tekak semut.
Siapa sih?
Kakak macam itu, nanti kena flame tu.
BTS is
Oh, the army. Sorry. BTS army.
Serious question,
Mati
BTS apa?
BTS
Oh, dia
K-pop. K-pop.
Oh, K-pop aku tak biasa isap K-pop ni.
La
Salah.
haula wala quwata
Sudah
illa
salah.
billah budak ni. K-pop.
K-pop.
Ami dorang kuat weh.
Oh, really?
Sorry guys, this is
Apa
just
saya nak
to talk
makeup
about
ni
resellers
semua?
lah.
So BTS memang datang confirm tu sold out juga.
Ya, dah 100% lah.
Apa? Aku tahu yang kalau K-pop is more to G-Dragon. Is it G-Dragon?
Oh, G-Dragon, yes.
G-Dragon lah.
Big Bang also coming to Singapore also.
Big Bang Theory
Big Bang.
Big Bang yang mana?
Big Bang Korea.
Kenapa naik
G-Dragon.
bas tu kan? Naik bas.
Oh.
Apa?
Naik bas lah.
Naik bas.
Bas?
Naik bas ke taksi?
Apa benda? Sabar,
Yang
sabar.
ada panggil ada stok, ada panggil orang. Bukan.
Salah. Tu salah.
Oh.
Itu salah.
Oh,
Okay.
Tu bukan Big Bang.
Apa?
Mak salah, okay.
Oh.
Sudah salah channel.
Aku seram.
saya-
Bobby hari
okay.
ni aku seram. Aku seram.
Alamak.
Lari-lari.
Tiba je
okay.
jadi bas.
Big
Start lari.
Alamak.
Big Bang.
Big Bang.
Big Bang.
Aduh.
Yeah. So all these
Bang.
thing memang orang resell banyak ah. Tapi now macam let's say Pokemon card kan. So aku into Pokemon right. So the Pokemon itself orang dah anti-scout. Meaning that most of the products
Regulated lah.
tak, it's not even relegated. Dia akan koyakkan daripada punya plastic wrap.
Ya. I saw. Recently aku baru dapat macam Aku excited.
I translate for you. Bobby said
Laju
the booster pack is being cut.
Yeah, booster
Yeah, and being sold in Japan. So Japan is doing a great job to
So
anti-scout.
wait, so means what? Dia potong to what?
Potong sikit. Jadi the value of that pack itself, you cannot resell as that pack itself. So you have to.
I see.
So it's smart.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's very,
Dia
very
ibaratkan macam kau pergi vet lah hantar kucing kau. Kalau dah sterilize lah, scrap lah. Kau tak boleh resell apa kucing kau balik.
Kau jual kucing?
Tak.
Oh tak eh?
Aku rasa betul aku boleh jual
Apa ni?
ikan.
Berbual apa ni?
Aku boleh jual. Aku rasa
Okay.
macam nak potong kau macam ni lah.
Dia tak boleh jual.
Kita get back to the story of scalping sama resellers. Yeah.
Okay.
So ada lagi benda lagi korang pernah encounter like a very weird things that they want to resell or
Apa
what?
lagi
Aku I only know about the sneakers, cards,
Tickets.
Pokemon Go tu.
Oh, Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go?
Yes, correct.
Pokemon Go. Aku was like literally shocked. I am literally shocked about Pokemon Go, where you play in the game and then you
sell.
got you catch the Pokemon and then you sell to other people. I don't know what the hell is that, man.
Macam mana tu? Tak, macam mana? How do they resell?
Aku tak tahu tu.
You catch Pokemon. Pokemon in ball.
Okay.
A lot Pokemon.
In the app.
I ask you. You want? I
Want.
sell.
But how you
How
sell?
to sell
Can
lah?
trade nah. Can trade nah.
Oh, dah kan
Trade.
dah boleh trade.
Boleh trade eh? Oh, no wonder
Can
they
trade
start.
Aku nak download balik lah.
Can trade nah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Nice, good nah.
Weh, boleh
Oh,
trade
kira
lah.
Tiba
orang-orang
talent
ini
lah.
anytime they can make a buck, they make a buck out of everything.
Bak.
Bak nah.
Buck nah.
Kira dulu yang kau tahu yang starting yang Pokemon Yellow version, Red version,
Huh?
itu kira dah boleh start buat duit sia.
Ya, dah
Yeah,
bukan
boleh
transfer.
trade
lah.
If you have yellow version and green version nah, don't sell.
Why not?
Keep nah. Keep nice, good. 5 years later you sell. Oh, big money nah. Big money.
Kalau talent lah.
Good.
Then you reseller.
Then you become scalper.
But tapi if I download from the phone, no counted.
No counted pirating.
Oh, dah pirated. Oh, okay.
Not good.
Must have the original cartridge.
Cartridge nah. Not good nah, not good. So now, right, you can see reseller sama scalper actually lain tau.
Itulah.
Kan?
Kan?
Kau tengok, scalping is lain, reseller is lain. So kalau kau scalp, right, is to just make
Betul kau akan scalp.
as in like kau curi. As in tak curi lah. As in like you grab everything from people.
Okay.
Then after that you sell them back.
Ah,
on the
okay.
spot. Resellers is you already have the product. You hold the product for a while.
You jual balik
Then
lah.
you sell.
Yeah.
To appreciate the product. But scalpers is actually just taking your money. Never appreciate the thing. Because the product cannot be appreciated. What?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay,
jadi
they
aku
buy
macam
the set lah.
tak appreciate dan aku just scalp dia dan aku jual lah.
Yeah, correct.
Oh,
So
okay.
kalau kau resell, kau simpan, kau naikkan dia punya value pasal it's like a history punya product what, right?
Aku rasa yang kau punya operation mata tu macam dia tak appreciate kau.
Asal pula?
Sebab kau macam cakap apa namanya kau tak letak apa focal apa
Yelah.
lens lah.
Mungkin lah.
Pasal tu tak appreciate tu.
Itulah. Tapi ini bukan pasal jual-jual barang. Saya diam.
Aku cakap dengan doktor, you never appreciate me, so you make me like a scalper, sia.
Tak, so aku rasa that's the difference between resellers and scalper lah. After kita dah bincang-bincang gini nah, all different.
Asal suara hal.
Okay.
Bobby,
So apa lagi like
baju.
baju is more to baju-baju lama-lama ke tu
Vintage.
Ya vintage
but
one.
that one is reseller. Vintage keep nice, big good.
But
Yeah.
that doesn't make a sensing into my brain, bro.
Oh, okay, you see the sensory organ.
Because the selling point. I see 150. The fuck.
Just. Kau jalan lah. Biar dia berbual.
No, you see nah, vintage.
Yeah.
Vintage, dirty, a bit,
Yeah.
fade, expensive. Because why? Part of history.
But
So that is-
minded.
That's reseller lah.
Reselling.
Because dirty.
dirty, yeah. But reselling lah itu.
Scalping is kira kan macam they have a lot of that item, that product. Then
Correct.
Yeah.
They will buy macam banyak and then they will try to sell back
Correct.
at a
They
higher
don't
price.
let people to buy.
I see.
You don't let people to buy. So they sold out the whole thing. Then they straight away give a price because they control everything.
Oh, that's called scalper.
Yeah.
I see.
44,000 kali dia kasih cakap scalper macam tu bro.
I just understand.
You not understand, man.
I actually brother. I tried brother. But it
Your
was
eye
very
already
hard.
spoiled.
Not your mind.
Susah dia
Your
macam
eye already spoiled. Your mind also spoiled.
I tried to listen but cannot. It didn't go in. So brother, I'm very sorry, brother.
sometimes kena buat slow sikit untuk then
Okay.
Thank you, brother.
Oh.
Manganang abi.
Then
boleh
Manganang.
Mengadang.
menganang.
Menganang apa tu?
Manganang nasib.
Mengenang
Oh,
nasib.
mengenang.
Understand dah?
Boleh nampak kepala otak kau tu.
Okay, kalau nak mengenang nasib lah. Kalau nasib kau kurang, kalau nak nasib baik lah kan. Nasib kurang kalau betul nak baik. Bila nak,
reseller
tak, bila nak renovate rumah tu.
nak resell jual
Renovate rumah tak ada reseller. Reseller di kaki muka kau orang.
Korang nak.
Sabar, Bob.
So, kan sekarang kan. Kalau korang nak renovation bagus, contact Design Box.
design box.
Yes. Tapi kau nak boleh jadi scalper. Sebab kalau boleh scalp tempat dia sebab baik.
Itu scout.
Boleh scalp lah, scalper lah.
Scout.
Oh, scalp
Ya, bukan scout.
Okay, kalau kau ada scalp problem, korang pakai shampoo yang
Clearman.
Clearman.
So, Clearman ada sponsor kita.
Okay lah gang, this episode is brought to you by Design Box Private Limited. Shape your space, realistic quotation and practical renovation.
Code SSBD DB5 to enjoy 5% off the total quotation. And also free upgrade to Bloom HK Aventus Hinge.
Free 3D rendering for all chemistry works. Free Compact Plus sync cover for Compact Plus client. Limited to the first 20 sign up only.
You can also contact them at 8076-2245.
8076-2245.
And don't forget to also follow them on the Instagram and TikTok at DesignBoxSG.
Dan dari sini
Jangan scalp lah.
Harry Potter.